Do not go away. I will now show you how you can go from zero to hero with binary option and Forex. Well, it's quite simple. Just take from someone that is trading from before. I have been doing this for so long time now, trading live every single day for the last 2 years. And I'm now sharing it because I did find this perfect place to post everything so you can organize it, everything. I love this place and you should too. Join me here now at Reddit. I'll leave a link below the video. Make also sure that you sign up with the proper brokers. I will trade Pocket Option here. I will trade IQ Cents here. And I will trade Forex here. And I will trade crypto a little later. I have not added crypto yet, but I will do crypto trading here also. It will be a complete place. Organize it as you see. In the top there you have Forex trading, you have live trading, and I will now show you how it is and how you can follow the trades, okay? Because I trade 1 hour a day live and you can just easily follow me and I give information while I'm trading. Of course, if you want to trade together with me live, you can do so also. You find a link below the video for basically everything. If you want to use a robot for trading also, you find robot for Forex, robot for binary option, you find everything below. Everything I'm doing you find link below the video, okay? But now about this video and this single service I'm providing here, let's go in and check. So you can see here now, today I did Forex trading and I did trading binary option. Let's check binary option first. We go in here now, then all binary option trading will be here, and you can see here I give all information by in between the blue lines, what I mean with that. Let's go in here then and see. Let's see here now. So you can see here now, looks like this. That means when this bar that you see here now, when that bar can come down to the blue line, we will basically just buy. It's that simple. That's how we do it. Just when this bar here now comes down in between these blue lines here, I basically just push up. It's that simple. That's how we do it. And as I here, buy between the blue lines for the next 20 minutes, or if the bottom line get broken. Bottom line is basically just this line you see here. If this bar here now shoot past it, then don't trade, okay? And you will see I write that sometimes we stop, hit it shoot past, let's find something else, then we stop, right? And here you can see all the trades I did just today. So you can see I'm quite active when I'm trading, okay? And we made money today. Now, for the Forex part, okay? So let's go back here. How do the Forex trade looks like? Let's go in here and take a look. I did 4 Forex trades today, and it's like this, quite easy. Dollar against Japanese yen, long trade. And here I also provide the broker that I'm using for Forex. You can use any Forex broker, by the way, but this is the one I have chosen because it's a worldwide. You can use it for any country. So then let's take a look at this trade. Very simple. You see here now, we see that they're in the upwards trend. What you are now looking for is a buy, because he will eventually retest this area here, and then you see works perfect with a cross of a support with a trend line. Perfect time to take a buy trade. And you see always when I take trade, I take 1.5 ratio. That means my take profit is always bigger than stop loss. I hate people that is within Forex and they have like 3 or 4 take profit. They have a tiny take profit and a big stop loss. Then they can say, we have 90% win rate. Of course you have 90% win rate because your take profit is like 1/4 of your stop loss. And then of course they can say, we did hit take profit 2, we did hit take, but if they hit take profit 1 and then after go to stop loss, they don't sell, they don't tell. But if you go to 1, 2, 3, they make like they have was in the trade all the time. Bullshit. Rather have 1 take stop loss, 1 take profit. The take profit is always bigger. It's clear, easy to follow, okay? So all over, what is my win rate? Okay, we can take that also. My win rate when I'm trading for Forex is around 70%. My win rate when it comes to binary option is around 75%. So we are making money on both. So if you think this is interesting, if you want to trade together with me live, I trade live for Pocket Option, I trade live for IQ Sense, join below. If you just want to join me here in Reddit, follow this, because I trade 1 hour and then I'm done. I do every single day, as you see, 7, 8, 9, every single day, and I make a own group for each day. So if you only want to follow me for binary option, just go in here and just follow what's happening here. If you want both, then just go to the front page and wait till come update. It's that simple, and you can put in this group, you can put, so you get information every time they come a new trade. Very easy. So if you want to join me here, good. If you want to trade live with me, do that. What are you waiting for? I really hope I either see you here. I want this 72, I want to see 80 tomorrow. That shows me that this video did go good, that many people enjoyed, and I want to see some of you also join me in a live session, okay? So what are you waiting for? Join me today and let's make some money together and let's change some lives. Have an amazing day.